Hey you bestie.
Hi.
What wrong?
My mother Sadie can't have an online friend. So you.
WHATY.
Bye.
Oh well, I'm sad. I have known her for 2 years. Anyways, let's move on. Oh, my mum is calling me. Yes. Oh really? Okay. I'm getting a superpower tomorrow, yay. I'm gonna get more into Google to know more. Okay, I guess I'll go to bed now, and I wonder what I will get.
The next morning.
OMGITS morning. HM, it's been 20 minutes, and no superpower. I'm going to school.
Hi, what did you get?
Oh, I have not got mine yet.
Haha, what a loser.
Signs I'm never gonna get mine. Huh, what is this? Huh, what is this? It's my superpower. So should I pick purple or blue? Wait, if I pick purple I can tell if my ex-friend is lying. 3, 2, 1. Okay, while school is over. I'm going to see if PPL are lying just for fun, hee hee. Hi.
Hey.
So what are you doing after school?
Oh, I'm going to see my friends.
Oh, whoa, that was so cool, she lied to me, haha. Well, I'm gonna find my ex-bestie in a game and confront her if she's lying. Okay, let's see. Oh, she unfriended me. I'll just search up her username. Yes, she's playing a game. Let's join. Hi.
What are you doing here? I can't be your friend.
Did you know I got my superpower?
Oh, Wanoa. What did you get?
Test if people are lying to me.
Oh, bye.
Not so fast, not so fast. What's worrying you? Do you have something to hide?
And no.
Well, what did your mum say, that we can't be fiends?
Ashia just said she wants me to be safe. Yeah.
You sure?
WHAT?
WHATWHA.
What?
Why would you think I'm poor? You're such a fake friend.
Oh, my mom is calling me.
Stop lying to me, Prue. What are you really going to do? I gotta find this group and change my outfit to a random and ask to join and spy to see. Let's change. Done, let's join her gaming. ABC for me to be in your group chat.
Hi.
Hi guys.
So what's up?
What do y'all wanna do now? Wanna watch Netflix?
Oh,
Sure.
okay. You guys talk tomorrow. Shy may stay but pretend I'm gone.
Oh, she's so annoying. She's just like my poor ex-bestie. Ugh. Did y'all know my ex-bestie was using me for how I look?
WHAT.
WHORU.
I'm her ex-bestie. I will get so much payback, you just wait. Now it's just me and Uahaha.
Wah.